Trinidad and Tobago is a true melting pot of cultures. Out of this pot, our unique flavors come to life. I'm Renee, and here on Simply Local, we cook some of our favorite local recipes or put a Trini spin on international cuisine. So join me on Simply Local as we celebrate food from a Trinbagonian's perspective. So guys, the month of Ramadan is almost at the end, and people across the world are going to celebrate by preparing foods and desserts. And I know the local favorite dessert is Saywine. Even though a lot of people like to say Sawine, I'm not really sure the proper pronunciation, but I like to say Saywine. Not only today I'm going to teach you how to make Saywine, but we're going to make Saywine ice cream. I know, Saywine and ice cream, the best combination. What could really go wrong? And the best part about it is a no-churn ice cream. I know, no ice cream machine, thank God, Renee. I know that's what you're saying, but it's going to be amazing. It's simple, it's delicious, so let's just begin. I know a lot of people make Saywine differently across the world. This is simply the recipe I learned, and I'm going to share it with you guys. Right, so the first step, I'm going to put the milk to boil. And I have our brand here again from our sponsors, Cuisine, right? And I'm going to use 2 cups of it. And feel free to substitute the full cream milk if you like evaporated. Cuisine is also available in evaporated milk in Massy stores. So feel free to substitute it. So while this is heating up to a boil, we're going to add some lovely spices. Now what I love about Saywine is that it's loaded with spices. You can put any spice that you like, but these are the spices that I like to use. Right, so I have some cinnamon here. I have some cardamom pods here. I'm just going to take a knife and crush them and put them in. I have a nutmeg as well. Alright, so next I'm going to put some grated nutmeg. Guys, what Saywine reminds me of is porridge. I don't know, like there's these spices and the milk being infused, like the smells. Oh, just amazing. And I love porridge. It's like one of my favorite breakfast items to have. Right, so that looks just about right. So next I'm going to grate some tonka bean in as well. Not too much, just a little bit as well. Okay. Just to add some additional flavors going here. And we have clove here. And last but not least in these spices, like I say, it reminds me of porridge so badly. I love bay leaf, guys, so I'm going to put 3 leaves of bay leaves here. And my producer actually gave me a great tip of storing the bay leaf in the freezer. Guys, it works amazingly. Like, it stays so fresh, and you see the color on that, it's amazing. Right, so I'm just going to take my spoon. Let's give this a nice mix. Oh my God. Smells amazing, guys. I love it already. Okay, right. So while this is quickly coming together, we're gonna start on the vermicelli. Now, I know a lot of people, I wouldn't call any names, but my producer, he told me it's not vermicelli, it's vermicelli because it's Italian. I get that it's Italian, but I've never heard anyone in Trinidad pronounce it as vermicelli. So we're gonna end this debate once and for all. I'm gonna use Google and I'm gonna search it up. Right? I like to say vermicelli. You like to say vermicelli. So let's see what it's about. Gonna see vermicelli. Go. Okay, guys. Okay, here it is. Let's see. I'm gonna put it here so you guys can hear as well.
Vermicelli.
Okay.
Vermicelli.
Okay, guys. So it's vermicelli apparently because it's Italian. I'm learning new things today, okay? Well, we're gonna patch the vermicelli, or toast, or like some people like to say patch is actually. In Trinidad, we like to say patch. We like to put little slangs and everything. But we're gonna patch the vermicelli or toast, right? So I have a next pan here, that's on medium. And I have the vermicelli. I have the vermicelli here. What I did is just took my hand and I just broke it up into smaller pieces. Right? I have no butter or anything here. I know a lot of people actually use ghee or butter or oil even to patch it, but I don't really like it. So I'm just going to put it in straight. Right? And we're going to leave this to toast. Right, guys? So we have it here. This amazing dark brown color is what we're looking for, because what happens is that this parched taste is almost going to resemble this coffee taste, right? And it's going to mix with the cream, so it's going to give this nice French vanilla taste if you like. Because the nice parched coffeeness mixed with the cream, guys, it's amazing. It's a really nice tip to try, right? So I have the milk here on boil, and we're gonna add it to it. Oh my God. Wow. Guys, that smell is everything. right? So you're gonna mix this here. Now I'm gonna add a little bit of salt, right? I just gonna add just a pinch of salt, right? To really bring the flavors together. Right, I'm just gonna mix this and we're gonna allow it to actually cook. So it's been 5 minutes, guys. I know you guys are wondering, where's the sugar, Renee? I like to use condensed milk. Feel free to use sugar, but I love to use condensed milk. Again, it adds to that creamy, rich taste that we're looking for, right? And I'm using our brand again, Cuisine here, right? So I'm gonna add just about half a can of Cuisine. As we go along, I'm gonna taste because I don't want it to be too overpowering that I can't really get that nice vermicelli taste from it, you know, as well as the spices. Okay guys, so while this is coming along really nicely, I have some additional ingredients here. So I have some sliced almonds here and I'm gonna toast them. And if you also like it more on the liquid side, feel free to add some more milk, or if you like it just add it, this is fine as well. It looks really yummy, guys. Alright, so I'm gonna add my toasted almonds here. Make sure I get all out. Next, I'm gonna add cherries. Now I have Cuisine's mixed cherries here, right? So I'm gonna add some cherries. Guys, the smell of this, I can't get enough. It's so amazing. Okay, guys, and here you have it, Saywine or Sawine. I'm gonna try it because remember, like I said, we're really making ice cream in this video. But we made the Saywine just to show you guys how simple and easy it is. So I'm just gonna have like a taste. Make sure I get all the goodness here. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. It's so creamy and it's so rich. Guys, those spices, don't hold out any spices. It's like amazing. So next we're gonna strain this mixture and prepare for the No-Churn ice cream. Right, just pour that lovely mixture over. And don't worry, I know you're gonna say, Renee, so what are we gonna do with all the vermicelli and everything else? You're gonna eat it. That's like the best part. You're gonna eat it. Okay guys, here comes the fun part, the No-Churn ice cream, the Saywine ice cream. It's simple ingredients, 4 ingredients. I have some whipping cream here. I have the lovely Saywine mixture. I have Cuisine sweetened condensed milk, and I have vanilla extract. Before we begin, we need to make sure all the ingredients are really cool because we want to create this nice thick mixture, and for it to actually be thick and fluffy, everything has to remain cool, right? So make sure you put your condensed milk in the fridge, your Saywine mixture in the fridge, and the whipping cream. To begin, I have the whipping cream here, and I have 2 cups, right? I'm gonna put it into the bowl. And now I have a hand mixer, unfortunately, right? But preferably you should use a stand mixer because the hand mixer really takes a good while, right? And we're gonna put this on high because we want this to whip to stiff peaks. So it took a while, but we finally reached the stiff peaks that we want, right? If you raise it up, this is a lovely fluffy texture, that's what we're looking for. So next in our bowl, we're gonna mix the Saywine mixture as well as the Cuisine's sweetened condensed milk. So I'm just gonna pour it all. We're gonna use the whole can. And this is a lovely replacer for sugar, and it still is gonna give it that nice creamy texture what we're looking for. So now I'm gonna add the Saywine mixture. Right, and I'm just gonna fold this in. And as I'm folding this, I'm still getting the smells of the cinnamon and the bay leaf. Guys, it's so good already. Okay, that looks just about right. So I'm going back to the bowl with the whipped cream here, and we're gonna add this to the mixture. Right? So I'm gonna pour this in a little at a time, and we're gonna whip it. And to finish it off, we're gonna add some vanilla essence. Good. Right guys, so I have an airtight container here. I'm just gonna lock it good. And into the freezer it goes, like I said, 4 to 6 hours. I will get back to it. So nothing makes me more excited than ice cream, so I can't wait to try it. I have the finished product here. And just like Saywine, I have some additional toppings. I have some raisins and I have some mixed cherries from Cuisine. Right? I also toasted the vermicelli to give it a nice crunch to the ice cream. So I'm gonna try the ice cream alone and then I'll try it with the toppings. Oh my god. It's so creamy. That Saywine flavor, the restraint is coming through. Wow. This is actually really delightful. You know, it's a difference. It's a change. Okay, I'm gonna try it with some vermicelli and I have my little cherry going here. Guys, your guests will be more than pleased, trust me. Who doesn't love ice cream? As always, guys, the full recipes on eatahfoodtt.com, or you can follow us on Instagram or Facebook. And if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, I know across the world, Saywine is made differently, but I urge you to try this recipe. Not only is it delicious, it's eggless and it's no churn. The best part, meaning to say no ice cream machine needed. Guys, I promise you this is going to be a fantastic treat to your Eid celebrations, so don't forget to try it. Let me know down in the comments below how you like to make your Saywine and how it tasted. From our family to yours, Eid Mubarak, guys. Bye!